Today we are going to make something very healthy which we haven't done before on Chef Prasad Creations. We are going to make a healthy salad today with most underrated vegetables in Indian cuisine, beetroot. So we are going to use a beetroot today to make a healthy salad, and we are going to pair that with citrus fruit, star fruit or carambola, very citrus rich in vitamin C, and we are going to use a carrot and cucumber, and we are going to make a dressing with honey and mustard, and we are going to add walnut, which is a again rich source of protein, and it will definitely increase the nutritive value and add crunch to the salad. And in the current situation we have to eat something very healthy, and at the same time it will be tasty, it's my guarantee. So let's start making a salad on roasted root vegetables and citrus fruit with honey mustard dressing. So let's start. So we are going to roast the carrot and beetroot first. So we'll cut them first, and we'll make the marination, and we'll keep them for roasting. So let's see what cutting we are going to use for the carrot, how we are going to cut the carrot. So I have already peeled the carrot, and we'll cut it. So cut into cubes like this, not very big, but at the same time it should look similar, something like this. So I have taken small beetroot, small size, so that we are going to cut the wedges. This is already peeled, and we'll cut into center vertically. Lovely, what a fantastic color, perfect. And we are going to cut this into wedges. Cut into 4, and then cut into 2. So one beetroot, depend on the size, medium size like this, then we will cut into 8 wedges. You can see the cutting. Lovely, done. So this is the cutting, and we will make the marination and roast them. So our vegetables are cut already, wedges and cubes of carrot and beetroot. We are going to marinate this vegetable and roast them in oven. So we'll make the marination for the roasting. So salt, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, then half teaspoon of garlic. We are not going to roast all the vegetables, but only the carrot and beetroot, and a pinch of mixed herbs. Then we are going to add a regular oil. So 1 tablespoon approximately oil, not too much, just enough to soak in the marination. That should be fine. And we'll just quickly mix everything. Okay, we don't want the color of beetroot to get into carrot, so we will marinate both separately and then roast them on the same tray, but we will not mix them together. So just coat with the marination, and we'll spray it on the tray. Vegetable doesn't require long time to marinate, as unlike the meat and the fish and the chicken, but vegetable just need to marinate and just not to wait for a long time, and then we can put directly in the oven. The reason is they tend to leave water, so we don't want too much watery vegetables, so there is no need to marinate the vegetables for a long time. Just coat with marination and directly put for roasting. So make sure that marination is throughout, and we are going to spread this onto the tray, but separate. So just because the beetroot leave lots of color, we are not going to mix with the carrot, otherwise carrot will also look like in a pink color. We want that natural orange color of carrot. Beetroot and carrots are marinated, and we are going to roast this in the oven, which is already preheated, and temperature required is 175 degrees centigrade for about 7 to 8 minutes are sufficient to roast this vegetable. So let's go for roasting. So let's see the other vegetables now. We are going to start with the cucumber now. So it's peeled already, and we are going to de-seed it and use it. So we'll de-seed this, just remove the seeds. I mean, you can keep with the seed, but it will leave extra water and moisture in the salad. That's why I'm cutting. We'll cut into big cubes, same like carrot. So after cutting the cucumber, the last vegetable but not the least, the star of the salad, star fruit or carambola, we are going to cut into, already washed. And this fruit is rich in vitamin C, so it's very good to boost your immune system, and it will give a little tanginess to the salad. Our root vegetables have earthy flavor, then cucumber is give freshness to the salad, and this will give little tangy taste, or it will add little freshness and vitamin C to the salad. So let's cut this. It looks very pretty because of the color and the shape. So we are cut into stars like this. It will look like small starfish. So this is how they look after cutting. See how beautiful they look.
Wow, lovely.
Natural shape and natural color. They got tender seeds inside. You can easily remove them if you wish, or you can just keep them. They will not. It will not harm your salad. See how pretty they look. Perfect. And this is widely grown. I mean, you can farm raise as well, but what we get here at my place, they are widely grown, and this is how I got today. And I thought of making a citrus salad with the carambola and other vegetables. So vegetables are prepared. Now let's go on to the dressing, which is a most important element of our salad, which will give its taste and flavor to the other ingredients. And that's it. That is honey mustard dressing. So let's see what all ingredients we use for honey mustard dressing. I'm going to use a regular black mustard, which I'm going to pound it in this, and you can use the mustard paste as well. Then we have olive oil. Then we have little garlic, just a hint of garlic, not too much. Salt, pepper to taste. Then lemon juice, and of course honey. So these are the ingredients which go. We are going to make everything, emulsify all the ingredients together and make the dressing ready. So let's start. So it's time for a dressing now. I already pounded the mustard, which we need a teaspoon, and kind of a coarse and grainy so that we can feel a bite into the mouth. So 1 teaspoon of mustard, then crushed black pepper and salt. We have already added a salt in marination of vegetables, but we need for other things, other vegetables. And then just a 1/4 spoon of garlic, not too much. And then olive oil, 2 tablespoons. And the last, our main flavoring, tablespoon of honey. You can use 2 tablespoons of generous amount because this sweetness will get balanced with all the sharpness of mustard and garlic. Then we need lemon juice, just half lemon should be enough, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we are going to combine all the ingredients together and emulsify them by mixing them together. So all our elements are ready for the salad. Our vegetables, fruits, everything has been cut. Dressing is ready, and most important thing, I am going to use a walnut, which are lightly toasted, and just cut just crush them with hands. You can see how the way I am doing, and this will give nice bite and crunch to the salad. So always add nuts to your salad. And to before we mix, I shall tell you something about the salad. So it's very important for salad to be presented very well, as it's an appetizer. So it should be eye appealing. The presentation is really important. So let's mix the salad quickly and see the presentation. So let's start assembling of the salad. Our vegetables will go into the bowl. So cucumber. Then we have carambola or star fruit. Then we have carrot and beetroot. Look at the color of vegetables. They look really
It's
fantastic.
very colorful.
And that's how the salad should be, colorful and tempting, so that the one who eat the salad will get nice freshness, and eye appeal will be like he will eat from his eyes first, or he or she, and that's how the appealing and the color should be popping out in the salad as the dressing, and it should be really appetizing. So let's toss the dressing first, and let's see the presentation. So we'll mix the dressing. Before you add to the salad, just give a quick stir. Drizzle dressing on top. We'll keep some on top for the presentation, and nuts So the walnut, not very small, very big, but medium size, so that you can feel them while eating. The crunch will come in while you eat the salad. And quickly we will toss all ingredients together so that the dressing coats each and every element and each and every piece of from the salad. So roasted beetroot and carrot and the raw carambola tangy and the freshness of cucumber and the honey, goodness of honey and the garlic and mustard, pungency of mustard. It will give kind of a balance, and it will combine all tastes together, and eventually it will give a good salad. So do try this, of course, and I'm sure you are going to like this salad. So it's already tossed. Let's see the presentation now. So before our salad go little mushy, little present it and have it. So little presentation technique. So I'm just going to take some dressing what we have made and just put it on the edge of the plate like this. Slowly, just half a plate, and look what is happening. So just tilt little bit, not too much, and leave it. So this will give kind of a good effect to the salad. And now we shall present the salad on the plate. Our salad is ready and presented, and always you need to give a height to the salad. And this salad is really good and tempting with the underrated vegetables like beetroot and carrot, which are roasted and give nice flavor. I'm sure definitely you will like it. And unknown fruit or the less known star fruit or carambola, which is good for vitamin C, and walnut of course, which will give nice bite and protein to you. So it's very healthy, and let's start eating vegetarian and healthy food to surpass this COVID and come across and increase your immunity and become healthy. So this is our healthy start. Roasted vegetables and citrus fruit with honey mustard dressing salad. Before that, very important, not to forget to like, give a big thumbs up to the salad dish and my channel, and please do comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon for new more recipes and notification. I shall see you soon with a new healthy recipe. Let's see what's coming up, big surprise maybe, and see you soon.